Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this grey Toyota CHR. Now of course you get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, you also get front parking sensors, and of course you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition. Coming around to the rear now, you can see that we've also got your rear parking sensors. We've then also got a reversing camera just up at the top here as well. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which do fold down flat. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have your park cloth blue. You have the blue accents, as you can see throughout. You've then got full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got electric automatic windows all round, full keyless entry and start, and then coming inside we've then got your electric handbrake, traction control off, hill hold, and then your EV mode. We've got your automatic gearbox in the middle. We've got your climate control just here as well with two front heated seats, and then coming up to the display we have your satellite navigation. We've then also got your various media sources just here, so you've got AM, FM, DAB, auxiliary and Bluetooth. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls at the top, Bluetooth, hands-free and voice assistant. Over on the right we then have your onboard computer controls, and your cruise control system is just here as well. Now you can turn your lane keep assist off just here, and then your your distance control is just there as well. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this CHR has done 46,421 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota CHR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.